In this video, I would like to talk about CERN's accelerator complex. Let's first take a look at the map. At the right bottom corner here, you can find Lake Geneva and Geneva Airport. This red zigzag line tells you the Swiss-French border, and you can find main site of CERN at the bottom. This large circle is the Large Hadron Collider. Its circumference is about 27 kilometers. And at the bottom, you can find SPS. The SPS is the second largest machine in the complex. Its circumference is about 7 kilometers and is connected to the LHC through this blue line. If we look at the marine side, we will see a big circle here. This is the intersecting storage rings, or ISR. ISR was the very first hadron collider in the world, but it was shut down in 1984. At the bottom, you will see a smaller circle, so this is PS. The PS is another important accelerator in the complex. It has a diameter of 200 meters. It sends beams of protons and ions to the SPS. It also sends the beam of protons to other smaller experiments, including the anti-proton decelerator, which uses the proton beam to produce antiprotons for studies of antimatter. The PS also sends proton beams to nTOF for the studies of neutrons. The protons of PS comes from the booster PSB here. PSB also sends beams of proton to ISOLDE to study isotopes. The protons in booster come from a linear accelerator called linac 2. Linac 2 basically just strips off the electrons from hydrogen atoms. Linac 2 will be replaced by linac 4 in 2020. LHC also collides ions. So ions comes from another accelerator called LEIR. LEIR just inject ions into PS directly, and the ions for LEIR actually come from another accelerator called linac 3. Okay, so that's basically what I know about the CERN accelerator complex, and thank you for watching this video.